Look at this beautiful twig holding all of these leaves, born at different timings. Some are still baby, growing up and are in their teenager, and others are vibrant, beautifully grown with lot of experience of sunshine, weather, holding this their colors, experiences. These small little holes represent their experiences. This beautiful color, pink, yellow, orange. Isn't it? It's very similar to our human life. But how we are enjoying this entire tree and these twigs, these branches. It's so beautiful, vibrant. But sometimes we human stay so close, look so closely that we forget to see the bigger picture of our beautiful life, what we have achieved, what we are holding right now, the vibrance, the maturity, beautiful memories, experience of this lifetime. Live your life. You are beautiful.